Hey, this is Naveed from Oud for Guitarists. I want to challenge you to learn at least 5 songs in each maqam. If you feel that you're weak on a particular maqam, or maybe rusty, I guarantee you if you learn at least 5 songs in each maqam, you will gain a great understanding of that maqam. And this is a little dulab that you can learn, and it's very simple. This is how it goes. Very easy, very simple. I'm using downstrokes for this whole thing. Just remember the tuning that I use is C to C, Do, 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 Sol, Re, La, Fa, Do, or G, C, G, D, A, F, C. And we're in first position, so we use our middle finger for the A, F with third finger, and the E half flat with the first finger, about there. If you need to match mine, take a listen, try to hear that, play it. Beautiful melody and very simple. It just comes down and you're only using like 5 or 6 notes in this whole song, so it's very easy. A dulab would be played in front of a suite of music at the beginning, and it will warm up the audience and the players and get everyone in the mood for this particular maqam. So let's do it. I want to show you a bit of ornamentation with this. This is very nice to ornament. You can play it simple and then you can play it advanced. So here what we do is, that's G, open string, down, down, up, down, down, up. If you want to add the bass string, that's fine. You can add it anywhere on the beat, on beat 3. You can add the bass F there on beat 4. This is very beautiful. On the E, on the third beat, down, down, up, down, that's E, D, E, F. And then E, F into the next measure. And then you can add B half flat, C, D. After that D. Beautiful. So beautiful ornamentation there. If you can figure that out, play it, do it, learn this song. If you need to just play it nice and simple, just do it nice and simple. No stress, learn this song, and let's master some maqams by learning songs and rhythm and right hand, nice strong beats. If you want to learn more songs like this with tutorials that are like this, very clear, telling you exactly what to do and showing you in a very slow motion kind of way what the stroke pattern is, what the notes are, what exactly I'm doing, check out my Easy Oud song courses. I have volume 1, 2, and 3. I've also got a song course on Music of Iran, volume 1. And if you want to pay a 1 monthly price to get all of these courses and more, then sign up for the All Access Pass for $47 a month. You can get all the courses that I offer as long as you're subscribed. So I want to do this challenge with you where we go through 5 songs, 5 simple songs in each maqam. Let's see if I can keep this up, and let's see how long this can go for. So learn this song and let me know how you like it in the comments. We're going to do another dulab in the next video in this challenge that I do, and hopefully we're going to get at least through all the basic maqams. And we'll see you next time. Thanks.